another day of the UK heatwave, and I'm surviving, not thriving. I'm very hot today. It's actually, I think it's going to be the peak of it today, yesterday and today. But I'm finding like small wins in this heatwave. Iced coffee, delicious. Newfound love for it. But it is hard going, and I have to say the evenings, so bad. So bad. We have a cooling fan from John Lewis, and that helps us with the kids especially. But it might be time to think about investing in aircon. But British summer is very unpredictable. At the moment it's a heat wave, but in the next few days it will be cooling down, and I'm looking forward to that. But that's okay, because I've got lots of fun things to do indoors today. I've also got a Lidl haul. I've just popped to Lidl. Jasper fell asleep on the way home, so I transferred him. He's asleep now. So I can show you the things I got from Lidl, and then I got a really exciting package come through the door. I had a look at a couple of the pieces. Okay, it's a Decor parcel. They did actually gift me some prints and some photos and stuff for the house, because I'm redecorating and renovating this cottage. Thank you to Decor. I do have like a discount code for you as well. I will show you everything and put things on the wall. So we will get into that after the Lidl haul, but that came and I'm literally itching. You know when something new comes from the home and you're for the home and you're itching to like open it up and get it set up. I've got some painter, decorators, wood chip, latex removal people coming, but they can't start until sort of September time. So it gives me lots of time actually to start planning, and I'm speaking to carpenters at the moment about built-in wardrobes and other built-in furniture. I'm going to work on the kitchen after we've done some of the bedrooms upstairs and the living room. So the kitchen might be much later in this year / early next year, but that's okay. I can deal with the Magnolia and the Artex for a little bit longer, as long as I'm focusing on other DIY projects. I will show you the bits I got from Lidl, so I can pop them away, because obviously it's very hot. At the moment I'm doing some dinners of the week and just surviving off of like cold pasta salad and bits and bobs like that. But so for dinner tonight I've got pizza. Now, I'm a firm believer in the fact that the Lidl pizza is the best supermarket pizza. Lidl and Aldi pizza, the sourdough one in particular, but Lidl pizza and ice cream is the best supermarket pizza and ice cream you can get. Not joking, if you want a really good pizza for the oven, go to Lidl and get these ones. They're wood-fired sourdough ones. Absolutely stunning. I don't need to do anything. I will add probably a bit of mozzarella to our pizzas, because I always do. And I add black pepper and olive oil just to like really enhance the flavour. But these pizzas are just unreal. So for myself, I've got the ham, portobello, mushroom, mascarpone pizza. This is stunning, really delicious, so full of flavour. And Lawrence, I got the picante, salami and hot honey pizza. But he will have some of my mushroom and ham one. So I'll put those in the fridge. Oh, I also got a Mediterranean quiche for today's lunch, because it just sounded very good. Like quiche in the British summertime, can't beat it, can you? I'm gonna put some quiche on for me and Lawrence in a minute. And then I got a couple of pizzas, kiddie pizzas, margherita, pepperoni. I'll cook it all because Oren loves pizza for breakfast in the morning. So any leftovers he can have for breakfast in the morning. I also do like a massive side of vegetables, and something I do in my house is, and obviously everybody's different, but in my house I cook vegetables 10 minutes before the rest of the dinner, and then I put the vegetables on the dinner table. I shout for dinner time, and then whilst I'm getting all the main dinner ready, they'll just be chomping on all their vegetables because they're really hungry and the vegetables are right in front of them on the table. And then I'll just put their dinner on the table and I won't have to worry about vegetables. It's just how I do things, and it works for us. So pizza for dinner tonight, quiche for lunch in a moment. I actually bought these the other day. I just wanted to like highlight them. Some of the best supermarket tomatoes ever from Lidl. They're deluxe season's best tomato selection. Just stunning, really delicious. I mean, tomatoes at this time of year are very good at the moment. So I've got these flat peaches ripen at home. I had one at my friend's house the other day, although she got hers from a Turkish market. Hoping they're similar, but these flat peaches, it was the most delicious piece of fruit I've ever had. It was so good, but they're ripen at home. So if you buy fruit that says ripen at home, what you want to do is put it on a windowsill without the plastic on it, because that will create like too much moisture. Put it on a windowsill, preferably in a ceramic bowl, a bright windowsill that doesn't necessarily have direct sunlight. Cooper, the caterpillar cake. This is new. So if you are a shopper in Lidl and you like yourself a caterpillar cake, head on down and get one. As it's Lawrence's birthday this week, we're celebrating this weekend. Gonna go out for pizza with the family and stuff like that, and I thought I would get us a Cooper the caterpillar cake to light some candles on for him. Looks nice. It's got hundreds and thousands on the top, Smarties. For me, a good caterpillar cake is just like a really good chocolate roulade cake. Like, it has to be really chocolatey in the middle, creamy chocolatey. So I will let you know probably on Instagram how I feel about it. But it looks good. I'm excited to try. I got some spicy chorizo to add into our salads this week. I got a massive bag of unwashed spinach just because I need some for the freezer. So what I'm going to do is blanch this, freeze it in batches. Spring onions for some salads. All we're eating the salads this week, like salad on the side of stuff. And some strawberries. Hopefully today, if I get time while Jasper's asleep, I'm going to make some chocolate mousse. I really need to get rid of like all the Easter chocolate in this house because it's still hanging around and we've not got through to eating it. So I want to melt it all and turn it into chocolate mousses and have strawberries with them later. Got some garlic. I bought some drain unblocker. Living in a 200-year-old house with old pipes before we've renovated means we are constantly getting blocked drains. It's very frustrating, but doesn't matter. And then I got some of this stuff because it's really good. We've got really scaly water in this house and this is the only stuff that works around the taps. And I got some bleach because I needed some. It's only 65p from Lidl, so I tend to like wait till I go to Lidl. Got some paracetamol. I got a pack of their double twin pack toothpastes. And then, excitingly, I got 2 paddling pools. I think this is why I love Lidl, because Lidl don't rip you off, and for $3.99 there's 2 toddler paddling pools which will be great for Oren and Jasper just to sit in, play in, put toys in. It doesn't need to be like a really expensive £70 paddling pool that is generally just a big lump of plastic. And I feel like Amazon prices have gone up a bit. Like all the paddling pools, obviously everybody wants one, so all the prices have gone up. I find that they don't last very long, so I'd rather spend $3.99 and it not last, but it only lasts a few weeks and we still get enjoyment out of it. So I'm going to set these up as well. Best get my lungs prepared because I need to blow these up. So this one is like a separated one, so you can have water and sand and whatever else in. I think I will just keep it water, because like water and toys or something, because the sand in there just doesn't sound fun, does it? And then this one's just a round one, so I'm going to set them both up next to each other just so they're not very big ones, they're just like little ones but perfect for like young kids. And I don't really have loads of grass space, so yeah. Anyway, I've got a Gabby's Dollhouse tower block game, which is going to be for my niece for her birthday. She's her birthday in a couple of weeks. Another bleach, 2 extra virgin olive oils. I use olive oil for most things, so we're always using it, although it's so expensive, but it's just good for you. It's good for my kids. So I've got 2 because they are the sort of better price that I can find in the shops. And then I got some seedless easy peelers. I'm going to put these straight in the fridge. I'm finding oranges are going mouldy really quickly at the moment. I've got some double cream for our chocolate mousses that we're going to be making, dark chocolate to melt, and we've got some mayo. Yeah, that was today's Lidl haul. Let's get everything set up and then we can look at our pictures and our frames. As I said, I did open the package because I just couldn't resist having a look and just making sure everything was okay. When you order off Decor, you get your prints separate from your frames, so you can check your prints out and then you can frame them in the frames that you've chosen. I've just got to start putting it together and making sure everything is correct. I ordered some bits for the boys' bedrooms. I haven't done Jasper's bedroom. There's a little bit of wood chip wall in his bedroom that needs scraping off, so that's going to happen soon. But I've got some bits for Oren's bedroom. What I wanted to do with Oren's room is create like a photo wall mural, mixed between photos and like mini posters, so like his favourite photos, so like photos of him in America and us as a family, a framed poster of Mickey Mouse or a framed poster of Spider-Man, stuff like that, just like stuff that he likes to look at, as well as I picked out a couple of bits that just remind me of him and Jasper. But I think I might put those, like, because they're younger ones, I might put those in the other bedroom. I'm not sure yet. It's so big, I love it. I got this huge square poster of Orion and Pluto when we were in America. Love, 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 and just need to put it in the frame. Got a couple of personalised posters and the rest were prints. This one I really liked because it just reminded me of Jasper. Jasper loves lying on his tummy and just watching the world go by. Like he's a real like watcher. He loves to, and he's very tactile. He loves rolling around the floor, laying on the floor, just watching Oren play. So yeah, I thought that really reminded me of him, and so I got it quite big. It's either going to go in the playroom or Jasper's room. I got this, which I just thought was absolutely beautiful. It's called The Water Garden. It's by the artist Frederick Hassan. And I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that just what Britain is in the summer? So florally, so beautiful, really wild, and I just love it. Thought that framed in the finished kitchen, when the kitchen eventually gets done, would look lovely. For now, I'll still put it up somewhere. Very good quality, actually. I'm really impressed with the quality. I have a couple of Peter Rabbit ones because they just remind me so much of Oren and Jasper. Peter Rabbit and Benjamin Button, like, that is Oren and Jasper together, and it's just so cute. It's really, really cute. Jasper absolutely adores Oren, and he follows him around, and it's very, very cute. So yeah, I thought I'd frame that. That's probably, along with this one, I'm probably going to do like more ones like this in Jasper's little bedroom. I really like this because the mum rabbit reminds me of me now, just like forever, just like doing stuff for my kids, seeing around, keeping them clean and tidy and healthy, keeping a home. And yeah, there's all my little bunnies there, and there's Mummy Bunny. I just really like that. It was very cute. I got some very nice frames for this stuff as well. I got this, which, oh my goodness, beautiful sunflowers and cottage in the background. So this reminds me a little bit of my home. It's got a little child there in the garden. It's just, I think it was called Walled Garden or something, but it's really, really gorgeous. Just really like it. And I also got a huge poster of animals over the world map of animals, because we're really into animals in this house, and I just thought it was really cute for either the playroom or framed for Oren and Jasper's room. One of the frames up in here, which I think looks really good. This is going to be Jasper's room. At the moment, I'm not going to show you it because I'm just storing lots of things in here. Lots of his things, and also lots of things that I'm moving around the house because of decorating. Lidl are doing lots of indoor plants at the moment, and they're lasting really well and looking really well. Lawrence bought a couple for the outhouse for our, no, I don't want to call it the outhouse. Lawrence bought a couple for our garden room a few weeks ago, and they're really like growing, really doing well. He's got bright windowsills in there, but not direct sunlight. These things like bright areas of your home, not too much direct sunlight. But indoor plants, obviously they're really good for oxygen in the house, but can be so expensive. So go to Lidl. This one's for Oren's room. It's dripping. He loves his new plant. If I have to put it out of reach, because I think if he had it in reach, he'd be watering it once a day, every hour, once an hour. It would probably die of too much water. But once a week, I'm gonna give him a little jug and he can water his own plant, and he just loves looking at it, and he's named it and things like that. I'm gonna put this one in Jasper's room. Yeah, I got this one today. Every time I go to Lidl, I seem to be picking up a new plant, just adding more and more things to look after, aren't I? As if I'm not busy enough. But yeah, I really like this print because it's in a really gorgeous green frame. I think it will look really good in Oren's bedroom as well. might mess around with things and just put things in different places and see how it goes. Pulled up. See how big it